my daughter. Today we are going to read Makharij number 3. Yeah? Third Makharij is the center of the throat. Yeah? Yesterday I was told you is three type of your throat. Divided in 3 types. Yeah? So yesterday we'll read the second Makharij. Yeah? The throat closest to the chest. Hamza and Ha. But today, the Makharij is the center of the throat. The Ain and Ha are pronounced from here.
Ain and Ha.
Yeah. Say Ain. 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 No. Ain. And Ha. Yeah, they're pronounced from center of the throat. Alright? Makharij number 4. The fourth Makharij is the part of the throat closest to the mouth. The line and Ha. What is? Say line with 1 dot. Line.
Oh, why? I thought this Ain because I can't see because it's small.
Yeah, this one is a line. And Ha.
And Ha.
Good girl. Are pronounced from here. The fourth Makharij is the part of the throat closest to the mouth. Yeah? The line and Ha are pronounced from here. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Line and Ha.
Yeah. Yeah. Is the throat closest to the mouth are pronounced from here. Good girl. Yeah, please revise.